Join me as I reveal some interior design secrets I've never shared before and challenge myself to transform a space using only modern decor inspiration. Today, I want to let you in on some secrets that can take your home decor from basic to breathtaking. You know, those little things that can make all the difference, but nobody ever talks about. So if you're ready to elevate your space and create a cohesive, stylish environment that reflects your personality, then keep watching because I'm about to spill all my secrets. We've all been there, scrolling through Instagram, wondering why our own homes don't look like those gorgeous, perfectly styled spaces we see online. And trust me, I've been there too. But the truth is, creating a beautiful home is not just about buying expensive furniture or hiring a professional designer. It's about understanding the little things that can make or break a space. One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to interior design is knowing where to start. Do you start with the walls, the furniture, or the decor? And how do you tie everything together to create a cohesive look? It's overwhelming to say the least. And that's not even mentioning the fear of making mistakes or wasting money on something that doesn't work out. First of all, let's talk about color schemes. I know it sounds basic, but trust me, it's crucial. A good color scheme can tie everything together and create a cohesive look. And the key is to keep it simple. Choose 2 or 3 colors that you love and stick to them. Don't be afraid to use different shades and textures to add depth and interest. Furniture arrangement is another crucial element in interior design. It's amazing how moving a piece of furniture just a few inches can completely change the feel of a room. So, don't be afraid to experiment and try out different layouts until you find one that works. And remember, it's all about creating a flow and a sense of balance. Decor is where things can get really fun. It's where you can add your personal touch and make your space truly unique. But it's also where things can go wrong. So, my advice is to start with a few statement pieces and then build from there. Don't overdo it, and remember, less is often more. But there's one interior design secret that I've never shared before, and it's the most surprising one of all. Are you ready? It's all about the power of editing. Yes, you heard that right, editing. You see, most people think that interior design is all about adding more and more stuff to a space. But the truth is, sometimes less is more. By editing out the things that don't work, you can create a space that feels more intentional, more curated, and more beautiful. For example, I once had a client who had a beautiful living room, but it was just too cluttered. So, we started removing pieces one by one until we got to the point where the space felt just right. And the result was stunning. The room looked bigger, brighter, and more beautiful than ever before. I've also used this technique in my own home. I had a shelf in my office that was just too cluttered with books and decorative objects. So I took everything off and started again from scratch. I added just a few select pieces, and the result was amazing. The space felt more peaceful, more intentional, and more beautiful. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new and valuable that you can apply to your own space. Remember, interior design is all about creating a space that reflects your personality and makes you feel good. So don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and make mistakes. Thanks so much for watching. And if you have a favorite design tip, please share it with me in the comments below. And if you want more interior design inspiration, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing more of my favorite design secrets.